Out there in the cold, thin air, secrets are kept. The F22 Raptor. It's the apex predator of the skies, a ghost. You don't see it, you don't hear it, until it's too late. For years it has been the undisputed king, but the wild is always changing. The challenges get tougher. Survival demands evolution. Now, a new secret is being whispered in the darkened halls of advanced aviation. Something is stirring within the Raptor's core. A new kind of intelligence. Not human, not just silicon and wires. It's a digital ghost, a thinking machine being born inside the world's most lethal fighter jet. Welcome back to Skyjet Wings. It's great to have you with us again. Here we don't just look at the shiny metal and the roaring engines. We dive headfirst into the danger zone. We explore what it takes to survive when you're pushing the edge of the envelope. Today we're tackling a massive subject, the F22 Raptor and its secret evolution. We've all seen what this incredible machine can do. We've marveled at its power, its grace, its lethality. But what if I told you its greatest transformation is yet to come? What if the future of this legendary fighter lies not in its physical frame, but in its mind? This isn't just another upgrade. This is a revolution. We're going deep into how artificial intelligence is being groomed to become the ultimate wingman, the ultimate co-pilot. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't your standard autopilot, not even close. An autopilot follows a preset path. It's a simple tool, predictable. The AI being developed for the F-22 is a different beast entirely. Think of it as a seasoned co-pilot. A co-pilot with superhuman senses. One that can see everything, hear everything, and process it all in a nanosecond. It manages the aircraft's complex systems. It monitors sensors. It communicates with other assets in the battle space. All of this frees up the human pilot to do what they do best. Make the critical, strategic decision. Directs the other players on the field. They might task a satellite to get a better look at a target. This also changes the pilot's role fundamentally. They become less of a stick and rudder fighter and more of a systems manager, a combat strategist. The skills required are different. It's less about raw flying ability and more about cognitive capacity. The ability to absorb complex information, make rapid strategic choices, and manage a team of both human and artificial wingmen. Our journey today has taken us to the bleeding edge of aviation. We've seen how the F-22 Raptor, a machine already at the pinnacle of air power, is on the verge of an incredible transformation. The integration of artificial intelligence is not just an upgrade, it's a fundamental change in the DNA of air combat. It's a fusion of human instinct and machine logic. This is the path forward. It's a dangerous, uncertain path, like any great expedition into the unknown. But it's a path that must be taken. Because in the high-stakes game of global security, standing still means falling behind. The next great frontier isn't in some distant galaxy. It's right here, inside the cockpit of the world's most advanced fighter jets. This is just the beginning of the story. That's what we do here at Skyjet Wings. We go beyond the cockpit to bring you the stories that matter, the stories that define the future of flight. If you want to continue this journey with us, to explore the next generation of aircraft and the incredible technologies behind them, make sure you subscribe. Hit that button and join the squadron. There's a whole world of adventure waiting for us, out there beyond the blue. Stay safe, and see you on the next mission.